is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I know it's been a hot minute. It's been a very long time, and I got a good explanation for y'all. I hope y'all are not mad at me for doing this decision. I'm pretty sure y'all ain't even gonna be mad at me though, but for the most part. So if you follow me on Instagram, link in the description, you would know that the car is back to stock, right? So the car is back to stock. I sold most of the parts. I sold the wheels, the coilovers, the camber arm, and all that, right? And I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the car being stock, but it's for a good reason. Now, how far I got with the channel between my Altima and my Camry, I feel like where I've got to at the channel is like a little roadblock. Now, there's a lot of things that could have been done with the Camry. At the end of the day, it is a Camry. So people's not gonna literally look at it. Yeah, the car looked good and all that, but people are gonna be like, what's next? You know what I'm saying? So what's next is we're currently in the market looking for a car. Now, I already talked to the dealer or whatever. I know what I'm getting. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna love what I'm getting. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna love what I'm getting. I already test drove it and everything. I test drove 2 cars. And I low-key test drove 3 cars, but I didn't show the third one on my Instagram. I only showed 2, right? So the next time you see my face, we're gonna be showing a new car. But I'm gonna show you what the car look like stock right now. The car is back to stock, as I said. I kept the eyelids on it. I kept the well, I ain't no really taking the calipers off. I left the rotors on also. So this is what they getting back the car to, right? Now, as I said, we hit a roadblock with the Camry, right? Now, there's a lot of things that could have been done to it, but where I want to go with the channel, the Camry wasn't gonna make it, right? Yeah, it's a good car. Yeah, it's a reliable car, all that. But what I see for myself and how I view and how I want my channel to go, it wasn't gonna get me there, right? I had the car for 2 years, going on 3. It's time to say goodbye, you feel me? But for the most part, I appreciate everything this car got me through. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the growth this car helped me got. And the next car I get is gonna be up from there. You know what I'm saying? So this is currently what the car look like right now. Yeah, bro, it ain't really emotional, but it's more of I'm gonna miss the car, but the plans I have and the things I see for myself in the future, I'm gonna definitely need to go the route where I'm going. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta say goodbye to the Camry. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do it, but listen, everybody who knows, every car enthusiast, I can't even say that word right. Every car people know, right? That you know when you hit a certain block and you know when it's time to let go. You know what I'm saying? My boy 250 did it. He went from an Altima to a Q50. He know what it is. You know what I'm saying? There's only so much you can do with these type of cars. And I know that. Yes, I know that. I try to be different, but it got to the point where I know we got to get something else to go and reach the goal we're trying to set for ourselves. So that being said, man, I appreciate everybody who subscribed to me for the Camry. I hope y'all stay tuned to see what I pick up next. I hope y'all love what I pick up next. And we guys gonna grow from there on out. You know what I'm saying? So as I said, I want to say I appreciate everybody again, once more. It might sound like a broken record, but listen, thank you for everything, man. Follow me on Instagram. Probably a sneak peek. That's just it, bro. So next time you see me, we picking up the new car, and we just gonna go from there, man. It's your boy Truly. We out.
I just like the sound.